Have you ever wondered how to make e-learning more exciting and effective? We've got something that can help. Our latest blog is about vector animation, a tool for online education. It's a fresh way to turn boring content into something that grabs your attention and makes learning easier. In this blog, we kick off with what infographic vector animation is all about. We talk about how these animations make tricky topics simple and engaging. You'll also find out why educational graphics are so good at helping people learn and remember. We discuss how interactive e-learning keeps students interested, with vector animations leading the charge. Plus, we've covered how animation templates save time and adapt to different learning needs. And if you're curious about what's next for e-learning, we have some thoughts on where vector animation is heading and why keeping up with new tech is key. Want to see how vector animation can give your e-learning content that extra spark? Click the link in the description to read the blog and find out more. Let's make learning something people look forward to.